We are Team NIKKO Software, and we built and completely digitalized ERP software in which you have to just go with the voucher entry and all credit report, cash book, leisure will automatically be generated. So we took surveys from nearly 25 plus schools and colleges, and 20 of them were facing the same issues which we solved. So we have tuned our software according to them by taking the inputs from the clerks itself. Now our software is made and it's been verified by the CAs too.
ये जो सॉफ्टवेयर है जो अकाउंटिंग के बारे में है, जो कि स्कूल और जो स्मॉल स्केल इंडस्ट्री और स्मॉल स्केल बिजनेस ओनर है उनके लिए बहुत अच्छा है, जो कि वो बाकी के जो अकाउंटिंग सॉफ्टवेयर अफोर्ड नहीं कर सकते हैं और वहाँ पर मैन पावर भी लगता है वहाँ पर अकाउंटिंग के लिए, तो वो सब अवॉइड करने के लिए ये सॉफ्टवेयर बहुत अच्छा है, जो कि खाली आपको वहाँ पर वाउचर एंट्री करना है और उसके बाद जो कि आपके अकाउंटिंग में रिपोर्ट्स लगने वाले हैं वो रिपोर्ट्स जैसे आपको मिल सकते हैं, जैसे कि रिसीट पेमेंट, इनकम एक्सपेंडिचर, बैलेंस शीट, खाली आपको ये यहाँ पर इंक्रीज करना है, जो कि बाकी के सॉफ्टवेयर में आपको वहाँ पर सीखना पड़ता है, बाद में अकाउंटिंग का नॉलेज लेना पड़ता है। उसके वजह यहाँ पर खाली आपको 2-3 एंट्री जैसे कि वाउचर एंट्री, कैश पेमेंट, बैंक पेमेंट, इसकी एंट्री करने के बाद आपको जो सब रिपोर्ट्स मिलने वाले यहाँ पर मिल सकते हैं।
As the previous video which we submitted, it has customer feedback, and now we have took verification from CA, technical expert and clerks. So we make sure that there will be no more paperwork required in this process. Also, there will be no any burden on any of the staff if any of the institution. Also, we have made sure that everything will be now digitalized. Now less time consumption will be there. Also, now education institutes will be focusing more on the education rather than these secondary things. We'll be getting the instant reports which they are getting now. We have took data from the one of the schools, and we have took their previous year data, and we have provided that as an input to our software, and every report, voucher entry, cash book, everything is being generated very fine.
ERP system, let's walk you through the user flow. We begin with the master section where all the sections are managed. Here users can create multiple sections based on the requirements. After creating a section, it can be set as default for making entries. For security, if user wants to delete a section, he'll be sent an OTP. When he enters, the section gets deleted. Okay. So the next is the item table where the users can create ledgers for various purposes. The system supports unlimited ledger creation. Next is voucher entry. Voucher entry allows users to record credit and debit voucher entries. It is very easy to create an entry in credit and debit tables. The next is the cash book section where all the debit and credit entries recorded in voucher entry section are displayed here. Users can easily export the cash book tables for sharing in this format. This is the preferred format. The next is ledger section where all the created ledgers are available on the left side. Users can access and export any ledger, whether it's credit or debit ledger, with just a few clicks. Next is audit report section. Audit report section provides a detailed view of ledgers, receipts and payments. These receipts and payments can be downloaded instantly. Okay. Next is help section. In the help section, users can access tutorial videos that explain how to use the application effectively. Additionally, we can submit support requests. Next is settings. Settings, here user has to input few of the settings such as financial settings, voucher settings, reporting settings, notification settings and all. So the next is an overview section where user sees few of the graphs such as a current balance history to keep the track of a balance. Next is expense composition, which shows where the money actually went. We have also added a chatbot feature. So the if user wants to perform some calculations, he can use our chatbot.
Here I'm practicing chartered accountant, practicing since last 20 years. Now the students have come to me for regarding their software verification. The software prepared by the students is quite good. These softwares are generated by the NIKKO Softwares. Will be definitely reduce the manual work for clerks. This will definitely useful for their future utilization. All the work will now be automated, and this will help to the clerks for getting their data completed on time and with accuracy.
Revenue streams, we are having the subscription fees, which is annual 12K, one-time license fees, supplying essential equipments to rural schools, and offering a CA consulting service to assist schools. Also, we are providing tailored loans to support schools, and we are monetizing by selling anonymized education data for research and analysis. In the value propositions, it includes the tailored solution for schools, colleges, and SMEs, and also we are providing the user-friendly interface. Along with that, the cost efficiency for budget-conscious schools institutions is also maintained. The scalable software for growing institution will definitely help them, and also the robust data security and compliance.